Guys, do you know we have a feature called system restore point in our operating system? This works like when your system is, if you think your system is corrupted, you can go back to particular date, guys. So let's check for that, like restore. I'll search for this system restore. So it is showing a system like a recovery or create a restore point. Let's say open system restore. Now recommended date today is like it's showing date and time. Choose a different restore point. In this it is showing only the yesterday's date, guys. So 9 9, no, actually this is 10th September and this is the 9th September. So I did not create any system restore point. So this works in a situation, let's say you have installed a fresh copy of operating system and you have installed like your favorite 10 to 15 softwares, and if you don't want to install them every time for a fresh copy of operating system like which you install every time, then after installing all the softwares you can go to like open system restore, not open, configure system restore point. System restore, recommended restore, or it's not showing. We can set up here, there is a such, there should be create a recovery drive to troubleshoot problems when your okay, create a recovery drive to troubleshoot problems when your PC can't start. If you have any troubles, then at that time you cannot create, you have to create before itself, like select. Now it will be showing the date, today's date. If I select that, and in future like after 7 8 months if I face any issue, then I can come back to this particular date. So all the files, softwares which are installed, they will be like as this date, guys. So this process will take some time. I just wanted to show you, I don't want to pause the video. We'll wait for a few seconds. Like you might be having a question like if your system cannot start, like then how, like when you boot a system boot, like when you like restart, there will be one option like go to the system restore point, particular point in that, then you can select that particular date and you can boot up the operating system easily. This might take a longer time, guys, just shown you the example. So if you are really worried about your operating system, then you can create a restore point immediately, and then you can recover later if your PC cannot restart or start.